It was a day of high-stakes action on the hard court with LaSalle edging closer to a UAAP Final Four sweep and Savoj pulling off a stunning upset in the Spikers' turf semifinals. Mobile journalist Denise Valdesancho has the report.
It was a big day on the hard court, with LaSalle locking in a Final Four bonus in the UAAP, while Savoj pulled off a major upset in Spikers turf. In the UAAP Season 88 Women's Volleyball Tournament, LaSalle escaped a tough challenge from FEU to stay unbeaten and secure a twice-to-beat advantage in the Final Four. The Lady Spikers took the first two sets, but FEU came alive and forced a deciding fifth, before LaSalle regained control to seal the 25-17, 25-22, 23-25, 19-25, 15-10 win at the Mall of Asia Arena. The victory puts LaSalle a step closer to an elimination sweep and keeps its chances of earning an outright finals berth intact. Shavana Laput led the way with 25 points, while Angel Canino delivered 24 points, 14 digs, and 10 excellent receptions. But for Canino, the win was also a wake-up call.
Itong match na to, sobrang grateful namin kasi napanalo namin. Pero I think di kailangan din talaga tingnan namin kung anong nangyari sa game na to. Hindi lang yung result kasi madami kami mga lapses talaga as a team.
Meanwhile, University of the Philippines boosted its Final Four bid after a straight sets win over Ateneo 25-20, 25-14, 25-23. The Fighting Maroons improved to 5 wins in 11 games behind Nina Itang, who finished with 18 points. Over in the 2026 Spikers Turf Open Conference, Savoj scored its biggest win yet, handing Crisscross its first loss of the tournament. The Spin Doctors outlasted the league leaders in 5 sets, 25-22, 19-25, 20-25, 25-23, 15-13, to open the semifinals with a statement win. Shawi Caritativo helped push Savoj to match points before Mark Calado delivered the match winner to complete the upset. Calado finished with 14 points to lead Savoj.
Aminin naman talaga natin, lahat talaga gusto matalo si Custos kasi syempre napakagaling na team. Andun lahat ng mga kilalang players din. So, yun. Proud din ako na kahit papaano, nakatikim din kami ng panalo.
Earlier, AEP Cavstars also opened the semis with a win after beating Alpha Insurance in 4 sets, 22-25, 25-19, 25-16, 29-27. Jared Schnacki led the way with 23 points in a strong all-around performance. Kapatid Denise Valdesancho, we are One News.